Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will see how can you fix your Freestream box. Here's a guide for your power, apps and Wi-Fi troubleshooting. Stay tuned till the end of the video. Fix 1. Perform a hard power reset. Unplug the main power adapter cable directly from the back port of your Freestream box. Disconnect the opposite end of the power cable from your electrical wall outlet or surge protector. Leave the streaming box completely disconnected from all electrical currents for at least 60 seconds. Plug the power cord back into the wall outlet, reattach it to your device and turn it on. Fix 2. Secure a HDMI video handshake. Disconnect the HDMI cable from the back of your Freestream box and your television panel. Inspect both the ends of the video cable to ensure there are no bent pins or dirt inside. Insert the HDMI cable firmly back into the monitor and switch to a different slot like HDMI 2. Turn your television on first before booting the Freestream box to establish a clean video link. Fix 3. Force stop and clear the application cache. Press the home button on your Freestream remote control to open your main Android dashboard. Navigate to the gear icon to open settings and select the apps or applications option. Choose the specific application that is freezing or crashing from your installed device list. Click the force stop button, scroll down to select clear cache and relaunch the application. Fix 4. Forget and reconnect to your Wi-Fi network. Open the settings menu from your main Freestream screen and select network or Wi-Fi. Highlight your current home wireless network name from the list and select the Forget Network option. Turn off your home broadband router for 30 seconds, then turn it back on to clear any local IP conflicts. Return to the Freestream network menu, select your Wi-Fi name and enter your wireless security key carefully. Pixpy run an OTA firmware system update. Access the settings hub from your main device launcher screen. Scroll down to select system. Click about and open the system update tool panel. Select the option labeled as check for updates or online update to scan for new firmware builds. Download and install any pending over the air that's your OTA updates to patch app loading compatibility bugs. Fix 6. Execute a recovery factory reset. Open your settings menu and click on the device preferences or storage and then reset option. Select factory data reset or reset device from the bottom of the system menu list. Confirm your choice by selecting erase everything to wipe corrupted system memory cache banks clean. Leave the Freestream box undisturbed for 5 to 10 minutes while it reinstalls its original factory operating software. So that's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.